In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the indicator on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned investor, understanding how to navigate and customize CoinMarketCap can enhance your experience and empower your decision making. So let's get started with this step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to CoinMarketCap. It's a widely trusted resource for tracking market prices for cryptocurrencies, and it offers a wealth of information at your fingertips. Being able to customize your view with different indicators can give you the insights you need to make informed decisions. Once you're on the CoinMarketCap homepage, scroll through the list or use the search functionality to find a specific cryptocurrency you're interested in examining. We have a wide array to choose from. Let's say you're curious about Ethereum this time. Go ahead and click on the link associated with that coin to delve deeper into its market specifics and analyze its performance metrics. After selecting Ethereum or your cryptocurrency of choice, the page will load with various details about its current market standing, historical data, and much more. Here, you might notice different charts displaying pricing histories, volumes, and other critical market insights. The trick to tailor these insights to your own needs lies in the next step. Look towards the top of the chart section. You should see a button labeled Indicators. This is your gateway to customizing which technical indicators you wish to overlay on the chart. Clicking this button will present you with a drop-down menu or a list of options depending on your interface. At this point, you have numerous indicators at your disposal, from moving averages to relative strength indices, each offering a unique perspective on the cryptocurrency's market activity. If you're unsure which indicator to choose, it might be helpful to start with something basic, like a simple moving average, which smoothens short-term fluctuations and highlights the long-term trend, making market trends easier to spot. Once you select an indicator, CoinMarketCap will automatically apply it to your chart. You can often customize these indicators further, tweaking parameters to suit your analytic needs. Take a moment to explore these settings, as fine-tuning indicators can provide more accurate information pertinent to your trading strategy. In summary, by going to CoinMarketCap, selecting a cryptocurrency, and clicking on the Indicators button, you can tailor your crypto charts to include the most relevant data for you. This level of customization in monitoring your chosen cryptocurrencies can enhance your ability to make more strategic decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!